Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. We found some apps that really can make life easier. Parallel's Toolbox gets better all of the time. The software, now owned by Corel, really is a toolbox full of useful solutions for taking screenshots, recording sound or video, cleaning up hard drives, and a whole lot more. I make use of it pretty much every day. The price, about $20 a year. Supporting your local newspaper and your local radio stations are great ideas, but an online subscription to a publication like the Washington Post can help to keep you informed, with the online edition arriving on my Amazon Kindle at 5 a.m. every morning. And if you have a Samsung phone, the DeX app, spelled D-E-X, gives you access to your phone and apps simply by plugging it into your PC. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand, without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.